Hey, what is up, guys? It's Alex, and I'm going to be opening 3 Pokemon Breakthrough packs. Hopefully we get something good. I have the sleeves right there just in case, so let's do the darn thing. Got our code card right there. Got a Goldeen, Cyndaquil, Hippopotamus, Cubone, just that one. So these, they're pretty okay. Let's see this pack. Got Swinub, NK, got that one. Got a reverse hollow Staryu in our rare. Dodrio, Floatate, and there we go right there. And let's see this last pack. Hopefully we get something good, or else I'm going to be very disappointed in this pack. Oh snap, I peeked. We do. Let me hurry up and get to it. There's Mewtwo EX. Yes, that's the one I really wanted. And let's take a look at this one more time. We got a Mewtwo Full Art EX. Thank you guys, and like and subscribe.